Top 5 tribes in the world that don't believe in clothes. Before we start, quick note. This is not about shock value, climate, tradition, identity. Clothing is a choice shaped by the environment and culture, so I'm telling these stories with respect. Number 5. The Himba of Namibia. In the desert heat, the Himba use untouched, red ochre mixed with butter on skin and hair. It protects from the sun and insects, and it's beautiful. Many women go topless, wearing goatskin skirts and intricate jewelry that signals age, status, and family. Age, status, family. This isn't lack of clothes. It's a complete outfit, just not the fabric kind. Their style fits 40-degree heat, water scarcity, and deep tradition. Number 4. The Korowai and Dani of Papua. Korowai. Dani. In the rainforest, men often wear a koteka, a gourd, while women use grass skirts and beadwork. Grass skirts. Beadwork. Body decoration and practical gear replace shirts and pants. Shirts. Pants. The forest is humid, muddy, and steep. Minimal clothing dries fast, doesn't snag, and makes sense. Dries fast, doesn't snag, makes sense. For ceremonies, they add feathers, face paint, and stunning headdresses. Feathers, face paint, headdresses. Function first, meaning second, fashion always. Number 3. The Zoe of the Brazilian Amazon. You'll notice the poturu, distinct lip plugs, and very little else. Here, identity shows up as adornment, not clothing. Necklaces, seeds, paint, posture. Their rainforest home is warm year-round, so layers aren't needed. To the Zoe, the body isn't something to hide, it's a canvas. Remember, these communities are protected. No uninvited contact. Number 2. The Surma and Mercy of Ethiopia's Omo Valley. Think bold body paint, scarification, lip plates for some women, and minimal garments. Body paint, scarification, lip plates, minimal garments. Paint isn't just art, it cools the skin and keeps bugs away. Cools the skin, keeps bugs away. Patterns celebrate beauty and community. Tourism has changed these valleys, sometimes for the worse. If you go with licensed guides, ask before photographing, and pay fair fees. Respect is the dress code. Number 1. The Andamanese Jarawa. In the Bay of Bengal, some Jarawa still live with minimal clothing, forest belts, simple ornaments, and tools. They hunt, gather, and move with the seasons, so freedom of movement matters more than fabric. But here's the rule: do not visit. These communities are vulnerable to disease and exploitation. Indian law protects them, and that protection should be absolute. So, do these tribes not believe in clothes? Not exactly. They believe in what works.